Before the challenge started, I knew that I needed a change.
I would be so busy that I would feel like I couldn't get up from my desk.
I wasn't taking care of myself before my hospitalization, not very well.
I couldn't stay up with my grandson. My knee was hurting, I was overweight, losing breath.
Slowly but surely, I was able to build up strength. I picked up my 35-pound kettlebell, which has been collecting dust for a whole year.
I'd lost 10 pounds during the challenge initially. I've lost an additional 5 since it was completed.
I could see the difference. It kept me mentally healthy.
Stretching, mobility, all of it. Every single day I move my body.
I think that Onnit really gave me a fresh start.
I've just gotten so much out of these programs.
I guarantee if you go through these programs, you will find something that has changed for the better.